guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be starring my beautiful kitty. Her name is Gina, and she's going to be the perfect star of our show today. Today we're going to be seeing what myths can be debunked that I can actually do so. Conspiracies. Conspiracies. I am nothing but an ordinary being. Dun dun dun. Okay, so I was looking up some cat myths, and the only ones that I saw that were actually that looked like I could actually try them out were these three. So, cats are too absent-minded to be trained. Okay, training the cat, let's see. Gina, get back on the screen. Silly kitty. Okay. Oh dear, this is not working. Now I think. High five. Good girl. Spin. Spin. Good. High five again. Good girl. How about sit? Stay. Stand. Stand. You can do it. Stand. Oh, good girl. How about high five? Good. Spin. Good girl. Spin the other way. Spin the other way. You can do it. Spin the other way. Good girl. Okay. How about no. Sit. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. Good. Another high five. Thank you. How about this? Here's the treat. Which hand is it? Which one? This one? This one? This one? Are you sure? Girl. Okay. That myth has been officially debunked. Cats were worshipped in Egypt and feel that they must be. Number 2. Cats need to be worshipped. Otherwise they will be very sad. Okay. Oh, Gina. Oh, Gina. Oh, great Gina. Masterful Gina. Oh, great Gina. Great Gina. Bow. Thank you. I don't think cats like to be worshipped. And cats are afraid of cucumbers. Myth number 3. Are cats afraid of cucumbers? Never actually gonna be able to figure this one out because I could not for the life of me figure out where a cucumber was. So instead, I chose pineapple. Maybe they are afraid of pineapples. Oh! Apparently! Maybe they aren't as afraid of cucumbers as the spikes of a pineapple. Let's make sure that isn't just tough luck. Oh, the pineapple! The pineapple! Come and get the pineapple, Gina! Rah. The pineapple of doom! Yep. Cats do not like pineapples. Or pineapple. So unwanted. You know what? That leads me to think, what if cats aren't just afraid of cucumbers? What if they're afraid of different types of fruits and vegetables too? Tell you what, if I get enough likes on this video, I'll test that out.